Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the McDonald's app and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the More option from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the My Account option you see there. You will then see the Personal Details option. Tap on that and now tap on the Edit Profile button from the bottom of your screen. Now, go ahead and navigate to the Date of Birth tab and then enter your date of birth by following the date format. You can also make any other changes if required, and once you are done making the changes, tap on the Save Changes button, and with this the changes you made will be saved. So this is how you can add birthday to McDonald's app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.